Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about top 5 tips for school, college, university, high school, whatever you are in. I am not gonna talk about the ways to study, but how to improve in anything but especially study. I am in second year of college and these tips are gained from my experience throughout the first year. Comment below the best tips that help you throughout your academic session. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first tip is simple but helpful. Sit at the front row. If you want to study effectively, then it is must to sit in the front row. Be in the eye of the teacher, ask them questions, engage in the class more. It leaves a really good impression on the teacher, and through my personal experience, you understand good in the front row than in the second, third or the last row. It does not necessarily means that the backbenchers do not have a good impression, but I know that when I sit in the last row, I would concentrate less on the lecture because I was not in the teacher's eyes. Moving on to the tip number 2, make good friends. I'm not saying that unfriend the people who are not good at studies. There are many types of good friends. A good friend who understands you, a good friend is who makes you laugh. But what is not good is when you are enjoying much of your life, the college life, that you forget that these are the golden hours of your life. Spend it wisely. It depends on you if you want to spend all the time learning new skills or building a future for you so you can enjoy later with no regrets, or if you want to do all the enjoyment now and regret later tomorrow. At first, you choose friends, but later they choose who you will become. So, as I said, choose wisely. Tip number 3 is consistency. Study daily 3 to 4 hours at least. It is enough to complete your daily work. But if you don't do your work on time, it will force you to study 6 to 7 hours a day. And being a not really big fan of studying, I would hate it. Study in groups if you prefer, like I like to do self-study. The fourth tip is to talk to strangers, not the full chit chat, but hi or simply just smile at them or compliment them. Trust me, it will make their day. Besides, if you are a shy person like me, it will definitely help a lot. So make sure to talk to at least 2 to 3 people a day. And if you want to talk to a class fellow, ask for an extra pencil, pen, whatever. And while introduce yourself. It won't be so awkward, but just going towards them and asking what's your name, I am this would be. I prefer this method, but if you're comfortable with other, then it's your choice. Choose wisely. This is us towards our fifth and the most important thing. Make a plan before doing anything. If you want to study, make a plan like I'll study this part like first half, and then I'll take the test, and then I'll study the next half, and then I'll take the test, and then I'll revise everything, and then I'll take a full test. Like if you are doing something and you just have to divide it into portions, it really helped me, and it will also help you because it is scientifically proven that dividing your work into small parts really help. Like I don't know what the name of the method was, like the technique, but it was like 25 minutes of study and then 5 minutes of break. Like you don't have to do the 6 hours constantly, you just have to like make portions, first portions, second portions, and third portion. It will really help you so much. So test is very important to memorize things and is also effective. Take a task and stick to it for a particular time, and if you plan to do something for a long time, then it would definitely decrease my stamina to sit in one place and do my work. So just take a 5 minute break after every 25 minutes, and in those 5 minutes just don't go and scroll into your YouTube or Instagram, whatever, or TikTok. Just clean your room, tidy the desk you are sitting on, or just go and get water for yourself, get something to eat, and this and that. And the thing I do personally is like I take a task and stick to it, like for a particular time. As I said, I'm going to do a long question in half an hour. Then I'll just focus on this long question for half an hour. Then after half an hour, if it is completed, then well and good. If not, then let it go. So share some of your best tips to help others, and also if you want me to make